In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood Cash Card Round UPS step by step. Round UPS can help you automatically set aside small amounts from your everyday purchases and put them toward your selected financial goal if the feature is available on your account. To get started, open the Robinhood app and sign in to your account. Tap your profile icon, then go to the Cash Card or Spending section. Look for the Round UPS option and tap it to begin the setup process. If prompted, read the feature details to understand how Round UPS work. Next, turn the feature on by tapping the Toggle or Enable button. Choose where you want your rounded up amounts to go, such as an eligible investment or another supported option available in the app. Review your selections carefully, then confirm your settings. Once Round UPS are enabled, every eligible purchase you make with your Robinhood Cash Card will be rounded up to the next whole dollar, and the difference will be processed according to your selected preference. You can return to the Round UPS section at any time to review your activity, change your destination, or turn the feature off if you no longer want to use it. It's also a good idea to check your spending account regularly to ensure you have enough available funds for your purchases and any applicable Round UPS. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.